Hello everyone. Welcome to Siddhi International Academy. I, Mr. Yogesh, Faculty of Mathematics. We is in the chapter 3rd, HCF and LCM. Is in the last lecture we have how to evaluate that HCF of the given two numbers or three numbers. In this lecture we are going to discuss about how to find that LCM of again the given two numbers or three numbers. So first of all try to understand what is meant by LCM. So the name LCM indicates least common multiple. So let's split that the word. So first of all we have the multiple. So first of all try to understand that what is meant by exactly multiple. Suppose we have to evaluate here multiples of 4. That means we have to write the table of 4 ultimately. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 2 gives us 8. 4 threes are we have a 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Next we have a 44, 4 twelves are 48, and so on up to the infinity. So to write that the multiples of 4, that means ultimately we have to multiply 4 by 1, next to it by 2, by 3, by 4. That means we have to write the table of 4. So next to it, suppose that now we have to evaluate that LCM of, let it be 4 and 5. So what does it imply? First of all, try to note down the multiples of both number. Already we have the multiples of 4. So now try to note down the multiples of 5. So which are the multiples of 5? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, next to it 5 elevens are 55, 5 twelves are 60, so on. So we have now the multiples of the given number 4 and 5 for finding the LCM of 4 and 5. Next to it, be focused on the word. Next word we have a common. So among them, which are the common multiples of 4 and 5? I will circle out here. That are 20, 20. Next to it 40, 40. And somewhere we have the next multiples also. So we have now the common multiples of 4 and 5, that are 20, 40, and nextly we have few numbers that are common multiples of 4 and 5. If we will extend the table of 4 as well as 5, you will find that the few more common multiples in 4 and 5. So we over with the multiples of 4 and 5, next to it common multiples of 4 and 5. Then try to be focused now least. The word implies least means lowest, we may say. Okay. So among them, which is the least common multiple of 4 and 5? It is 20. सबसे छोटा वाला ढूंढना है हमें. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. We may write it is of the form LCM of 4 comma 5 is equals to T. So what is meant by exactly the LCM? LCM of the given number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the given numbers. So keep in mind here LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Therefore that 20 should be divisible by 4 and 5, and that 20 is the least number that should be divisible by both 4 and 5. So it is non-convenient to every time we have to note down the table of the given number. So that's why there is another one method we have for finding the LCM, that is our vertical division sorry, vertical division method. So suppose to have we have to find here the LCM of 15 and 20. So how could we evaluate? So we have the method of vertical division is of the form. Take two numbers together, write it down in the table like way, 15 and 20. So both numbers should be divisible by 5 here. So 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. So we have this case is in the HCF also. So if we have to note it down now, the HCF of 15 and 20, so it is nothing but just a 5. So we have the common divisor as only 5 here. And now we have to evaluate that the LCM of 15 and 20. So here our vertical division is finished. Why? Because there is a no one common divisor of 3 and 4 that should divide simultaneously to both 3 and 4. So LCM of 15 and 20 is nothing but the multiplication of your divisor and whatever be the remainder we have as a 3 and 4. So we have 5 threes are 15 and 15 fours are 60. So LCM of 15 and 20 we have as a. Now be focused on the next example we have. Suppose to now evaluate the LCM of 18 and 30. So again write the 18 and 13 is in the table like way. So we know that both 18 and 30 should be divisible by 2 first. 2 nines are 18 while 15 twos are we have a 30. Again we have a common divisor of 9 and 15 as a 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 fives are 15. Now we can't have any one common divisor that should divide simultaneously both 3 and 5 here. Hence our vertical division is finished. So look once, suppose to now evaluate the HCF of 18 and 30, then we know that it is the product of all common divisors we have for 18 and 30, that are 2 and 3. So we have a 2 3s are 6 as a HCF, or we may say that as a GCD. Keep in mind greatest common divisor of 18 and 30, that is equals to 6. But now here we have to evaluate for LCM. So how to evaluate that LCM of 18 and 30? That is the multiplication of all common divisors as well as whatever be the remainder. So we have now 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So let us try to multiply them. 5 threes are 15, 15 threes are we have a 45, 2s are have a T. So LCM of 18 and 30 is G. Next, now what happened if we have given, next example is of the form, for evaluating LCM of, let it be now we have given another two numbers to find that LCM of 60 and 48. Again same thing, let us try to consider that two numbers simultaneously is in the table 60 and 48. So at first both are divisible by 3 were there. So 3 twos are 6 with a 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 sixes are we have a 18. Now here 20 and 16 both are divisible by 2 there. 2 tens are 2 eights are. Again both are divisible by 2. 2 fives are 10. 2 fours are 8. So none of the number that should divide simultaneously 5 and 4 together. ऐसा कौन सा भी हमारे पास नाउ डिवाइजर नहीं है और नंबर नहीं है जो दोनों को एक साथ डिवाइड करे. Hence our vertical division is finished. Now again same thing, suppose we have to evaluate here HCF of 60 and 48, then that should be the multiplication of all common divisors we have is in the vertical division, that are 3, 2, 2. So let us try to multiply them. The 6, 6 to the 12 we have. So HCF, or we may say the GCD of 60 and 48 is 12. But what about now LCM? So LCM is nothing but the product of all common divisors well as the remainder at the last stage. So we have 3 into 2 into 2 as well as 5 into 4. So we get 5 fours are 20, 22s are we have a 40, 42s are we have a 80, and 83s are we have 240. So LCM of 60 and 48 we have 240. That means here 240 is the least number that should be divisible by 60 and 48 simultaneously. Keep in mind, try to divide. We get 6 4s are 24. So our quotient is 40. Similarly, try to divide 240 by 48. You will get somewhat quotient there. So 240 is the least number that should divisible by simultaneously both 60 and 40. So LCM of 60 and 48 is 240. Now what happened if we have given the three numbers together? Suppose now we have to evaluate LCM of 15, 18 and 21 is there. So let us try to consider again a vertical division and write that the three numbers together is in the table. So all three numbers 15, 18 and 21 that should be divisible by one of the common number we have as a 3. So 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 and 3 6s are 21. Now there is a none of the common divisors that should divide simultaneously 5, 6 and 7 here. So hence our vertical division is finished. Now as we have to evaluate that the HCF of 15, 18 and 21, so that is nothing but just a 3. But what about now the LCM? So LCM of 15, 18 and 21 is given by the multiplication of all common divisors as well as the remainder at the last stage. Have a 3 into 5 into 6 into 7. So 6 sevens are, we have a 42, 42, 5s are, we have a 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 5 fours are 20 plus 1 as a 210. While 210 threes are, we have a 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, that means 630. So LCM of 15, 18 and 21 is 630 we have. Similarly, if we have given another three numbers and we have to find that LCM of them, suppose the another three numbers are of the form 10, 12 and 16. So again write that the three numbers is in the table like way. So there is a one common divisor of all three numbers, that is 2. 2 5s are, 6 are, 2 8s are. Now there is a none of the common divisor that should divide simultaneously to all three numbers 5, 6 and 8. Our vertical division is finished. So HCF of 10, 12 and 16 have it 2. But what about your LCM? LCM of 10, 12 and 16 is given by the multiplication of all common divisors as well as the remainder at the last stage. So we have a 2 into 5 into 6 into 8. So we have 6 8s are 48, 48 5s are 8 5s are 40, carry 4, 20 plus 4 we have a 24 and 242s are we have a 408. So our LCM becomes, or we may say LCM of 10, 12 and 16 becomes 408. Next to it, suppose now we have to evaluate the LCM of 18, 36 and 27. So let us try to write down that the three numbers is in the table like way. So there is a common divisors of all three number is 3. 3 6 are 18, we have 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 9s are 7. Again all three numbers are divisible by 3. 3 2s are 3 4s are and 3 are 9. So there is now no one common divisors that should divide simultaneously to 2, 4 and 3. So if we have to evaluate the HCF of 18, 36 and 27, then that becomes the multiplication of all prime common divisors. That is 3 3s are 9 we have. But what about now LCM? So LCM of 18, 36 and 27 is the multiplication of 3, 3, 2, 4 and 3. So we have a 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 3 we have to evaluate. 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 3 are 6 plus 1 as a 7. Now 72 3s are we have to evaluate. So 3 2s are we have a 6, 7 3s are we have a 21. So the LCM of 18, 36 and 27 is 216 we have. So note it down one thing. Suppose now we have to evaluate that LCM of, let it be, we have a 12 and 7. Okay. So whenever we have to evaluate that the LCM of any two numbers and among them one of the number is prime. Keep in mind here 7 is the prime number, then strictly your LCM is multiplication of the given numbers. So we have a 12 sevens are 84. Okay, so LCM of 12 and 7, this is the property we have in case of our LCM is 84. Another one example, suppose we have to evaluate that the LCM of 8 and 11. Again our 11 is the prime number. So the LCM is given by the direct multiplication of both numbers. 8 11s or we may say 11 8s are 88. Therefore the LCM of 8 and 11 is 88 we have. So let us try to write down the practice set 13 yourself. Thank you.